Imagine if your feelings could transform into actual spaces. What if I told you it's not just a fantasy, but a reality waiting for you to create it? Hi everyone, I'm Moshe Katz, an award-winning architect and a visionary artist. And I'm here to challenge you to push beyond your limitations and discover your own unique creative voice. To me, reality is just a recommendation. It's the playground where I experiment with my dreams and ideas. It is the place where I bring all my inspirations to life. I believe architecture can inspire you and improve the way we connect with each other. When I create, I am guided by my intuition and spirituality. And I want to show you how you can expand your own imagination and improve your design process. I've written a book on creativity and I design revolutionary and unusual projects in many different countries. I've been a passionate educator for many years and have given lectures at many universities worldwide. The courses I've designed for you are different than what you can find anywhere else. In the Architherapy course, for example, you will learn how architecture becomes an active player in healing therapy. Imagine the kinetic motion of a structure reacting to light and technology, music and art coming together to create holistic experience of mind, body, and soul. In the Futuristic Architecture course, we will look at how design can respond to the challenges of the future. Some of my practical courses will give you knowledge and skills that you can apply immediately in the real world, whether you're a student or a professional. I will also teach you how to create inspiring project presentations so you can impress investors and your clients, how to prepare your portfolios for job interviews, use AI in architecture, and many more useful techniques that you can use in the industry. So, join me and let's start dreaming and creating together.